Welcome to the Database Solution tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for adding validation using regular expressions in the system. Let's begin. Select the table you want to work on, and go to the table configuration. This page lets you configure table settings, properties, and validation options. Click this icon to add new field. Enter the field name. Choose field type and subtype. In this sample, we will be choosing the regular expression under text field. Next, enter the regular expression value to allow only numbers and symbols for this field. Regular expressions help control user input by defining patterns, ensuring the field only accepts valid entries. Back in the table records, let's add a record to test the regular expression for mobile number field. Add a record, type a random number in mobile field, then save it. As you can see, the regex rule prevents any random numbers from being saved, and it also prompts that the mobile number is invalid. Now let's try entering a valid number, then resave it. After saved, the number has been successfully added to the record, and that's it. A simple way to add validation using regular expressions. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.